Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video for the multi-time frame weekly analysis. In this video, we'll cover the Bank Nifty and Nifty multi-time frame analysis, focusing more on the monthly and the weekly time frames. Okay, because I'll tell you the importance as well while we are covering them. This gives us like an insight as to where the market is headed, which becomes like an edge by itself. So let's try to look at the levels where Nifty and Bank Nifty both should be active, and let's begin with the Bank Nifty analysis. Okay, now before I take you to the Bank Nifty charts, okay, let me just remind you. Please click the like button if this video helps you or if any of our videos help you, because when you click the like button, our videos get recommended more to newer audiences and newer people out there. So if you want to support us, consider hitting the like button only if you get value from our videos. Okay, so let's start with the Bank Nifty analysis first. Okay, so let's start for the Bank Nifty monthly analysis. Now first, okay, let's try to see what price action is developing here. सबसे पहले तो लाइक राइट वाले स्क्रीन पे मेरा एरो मार्क किया है मैंने, वहां पे देखो 24 डेज बाकी है अभी, लाइक मंथ का कैंडल क्लोज होने के लिए. सो वी नीड टू सी ये जो कैंडल है हाउ इट क्लोजेस. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट वील ट्राई टू गेट अ व्यू ऑफ नेक्स्ट मंथ व्हाट कैन हैपन. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट मंथ के लिए इस कैंडल क्लोज का इंपॉर्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा होगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ सो लाइक करंट मंथ का कैंडल कैसे चलेगा हमको नहीं पता है, राइट? सो वी हैव टू टेक आवर क्यूज फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस कैंडल. This March month candle, what do we come to know from that? So February month was an inside candle. Okay, so whenever you get an inside candle, you have to trade the break of the child candles high or low. Okay, so this broke on the upside. If you can see here, it's an upside break, right? So chances were market could go up. Okay, this is based on simple like basic candle analysis, and if you know like what happens after a certain candle, then you can predict this kind of stuff. Okay, so after the inside candle break, we were expecting an up move. So currently in the first week itself, we have gotten an up move here. Now what is a characteristic of the monthly time chart? Okay, I can draw a high and low. Look at this candle, December month's candle. Okay, this high and low. Okay, so once I've drawn arrows on the high and the low, okay, to tell you where to look. And what do we understand after that? Since December, market has been trapped in the December candles range itself. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 3 months it's been trapped. So 3 months tak market has not gone anywhere apart from that candle's high and low. What does this mean? This means that whenever the breakout happens of the big candle's high or low, market is likely to make a move that way. Okay, so because we are trading near the upper range, we are expecting a breakout on the upside. Okay, so this kind of a candle, if we get like good candle closing here, then Bank Nifty can start to move up pretty quickly. First thing. Second thing, it can go up a lot. Okay, much more than people are thinking. So this is what I understand in the monthly time frame. Okay, a quick summary in Hindi for the monthly time frame. December candle जो था, ये green candle जो था, उसके हाई और लो में बैंक निफ्टी ट्रैप्ड है, पर 3 महीने से ट्रैप्ड है वो. दिसंबर के बाद जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, 3 महीना मार्केट किधर भी नहीं गया, और करंट मंथ बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश कैंडल बना रहा है वो, पर अभी भी 24 डेज बाकी है उसके लिए. ओके, सो लाइक इवन लास्ट मंथ जो था फरवरी का हाई लो, उसमें इनसाइड कैंडल बनाया था मार्केट ने, और इसका ब्रेक उसने किया था ऊपर की तरफ. सो इंडिकेशन था मार्केट का कि ऊपर जाने का प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत हाई है. एंड करंटली अभी दिसंबर कैंडल के ऊपर अगर हम एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल से क्लोजिंग कर देते हैं, देन बैंक निफ्टी और भी बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर जा सकता है. सो लाइक नाउ व्हाट वील डू, वील ट्राई टू चेक फ्रॉम द वीकली टाइम फ्रेम व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेज. मंथली कैंडल इज प्रीटी सिंपल एज ऑफ नाउ. ओके, एंड मंथली कैंडल आई टोल्ड यू द बुलिश सिनेरियो राइट अबव दिस, एंड बेरिश सिनेरियो विल ओनली बिकम दिसंबर लो के नीचे इन द मंथली टाइम फ्रेम, राइट? सो डज दैट मीन कि फ्रॉम 48,000 to 44,600 वी वोंट डू एनी bearish trade? No, that doesn't mean that. We'll use the shorter time frames to take bearish trades then, but according to the monthly time frame, we need a candle close below December low. Okay, then we'll start to think of additional bearishness. Now next, okay, from Bank Nifty weekly chart, what can you understand? I can understand one very simple thing. Okay, I have drawn a line at the highest closing point. Okay, highest closing point पे draw किया मैंने एक line, and the current Bank Nifty week, it has closed even above that, correct? So what does this mean? It means the Bank Nifty has gotten the highest weekly candle close ever, which by itself means very bullish. Okay, anytime I've explained you a breakout, okay, for example अगर breakout हुआ है ये, then the breakout candle low becomes pretty important. So Bank Nifty should not be going below this low. So the low is on the downside is 47,274. Below this, if a weekly candle closes, then we'll start to plan for bearishness. Okay, until that, we don't talk about it. Okay, so based on this, the next week, okay, can be pretty bullish as well. I think so. And if you see the US markets on the right side, okay, I'm drawing an arrow. US is up 300 points, okay? Nasdaq is up 220 points. Dow Jones is up 300 points, okay? So likely we are probably going to open flattish or some bullish bias on Monday. Now, what's the structure? Basically, it's an all-time high breakout. The structure has to be bullish only, right? If you see these lows, they are constantly shifting upwards, okay? Now, weekly time frame pe, we need a lower low. Like if the price is going up, we need a lower low. Right at this point, then we'll be able to say that the structure has become bad. The structure on the weekly time frame, as per me, if it will only become bad below closing on 45,805. Now, if Nikita was doing this video, okay, what she would do, she would make this symmetrical triangle. Okay, and then the current candle which we have basically is giving a symmetrical triangle breakout. Okay. So this by itself means the market can go up pretty high. So like it can even go up till like 52,000 levels. Okay, I'll tell her to cover this whenever she makes an analysis video in the next week. Yeah, but Bank Nifty can go to 52,000 now, like as per our analysis. But you know, it won't go there like in 1 week. Okay, so it will go there, but slowly. So in the weekly time frame, then basically we become super bullish now in Bank Nifty. And you know, now Bank Nifty and Nifty together, they are going to hit the all-time high. Okay, which will make the markets very bullish again. Because pehle only Nifty was going up and Bank Nifty wasn't. So now both of them together, let's see, okay, what kind of moves take place now. It will be very interesting. जल्दी से हिंदी में summary देता हूँ मैं. Highest weekly candle close है Bank Nifty का, जिसका मतलब super bullish है वो. इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है ऊपर आ रहा है हर बार, मतलब वापस बुलिश है. स्ट्रक्चर नेगेटिव सिर्फ ये लेवल के नीचे होगा जो है 45,800. तो 45,800 के नीचे ही विल प्लान सम बेरिशनेस ऑन द वीकली टाइम फ्रेम. एंड जो सिमेट्रिकल ट्राइंगल है ये, उसका ब्रेकआउट हमको मिल चुका है, राइट? सिमेट्रिकल ट्राइंगल का ब्रेकआउट मिल चुका है, विच मीन्स बैंक निफ्टी अभी 52,000 के पास भी जा सकता है. थोड़ा टाइम लेके जाएगा पर लेके जा सकता है बड़ा जल्दी. नाउ ऑन द डेली चार्ट ऑफ बैंक निफ्टी, ओके, व्हाट वी सी ऑल टाइम हाई ऑन 28 December 2023. नाउ आफ्टर 4 months or 3 months, बैंक निफ्टी is again coming back there. Okay, so what can happen? This can be a U, okay, and market can do this time pass also. So let's see. But whenever like the all time high, it comes after quite some time there, so there's some sort of resistance there, like according to what I have seen before. So let's see वहां पे रेजिस्टेंस लेता है कि नहीं. Like if it doesn't take resistance there, okay, and we get a strong candle, something like this, okay, still then I'll play bullish only. Now one simple rule, okay, whenever market is going super bullish, okay, now see daily market is going up, okay, daily market is going up. So what does this mean? It means now bearishness, when can we play? We need simple rules for that, okay, because if we don't have rules for bearishness, we can get trapped very badly on the call side. So bearishness के लिए one simple rule is previous day के low के नीचे it should close, okay, at least first rule. Better would be last 2 days low के नीचे if it goes, but at least minimum it should go below the previous day's low and close there on the daily time frame. Then we can start to think about bearishness. तब तक it is very smart to be with the trend. Okay, now next there are many green candles, okay, in Bank Nifty in a row. So I want like at least 2-3 red candles also, then we can again play bullishness, because there should be some sort of selling. And what's good is on the daily chart, yesterday was a doji and we've closed above the doji high, okay, and this is also above the previous resistance also, so it means by nature it's bullish only. So we have carried bullish positions, okay, over the weekend. So let's see how they go. So cool, simple for bearishness, okay, previous day low you have to focus for all the bearishness, and bullishness you have to play, okay, after strong candles. If you get a strong candle close, again plan for bullishness, and so on. And please side with the trend, okay, don't go against the trend. Now what are we going to do? Okay, first of all, if Bank Nifty comes down, okay, yeah, if Bank Nifty starts to come down, okay, अगर नीचे आता है ये, so this is a support area for us. Now this area comes between 47,200 to 47,400. So if Bank Nifty comes here anywhere, and if it makes a strong positive candle, okay, sort of this candle or this candle, something like this, then we can plan for a reversal if market comes down. If market goes up, then you have to play bullish only. So day before yesterday, what did we say? Okay, we said ki if market moves above this like last day's high and low, okay, this is doji, our stance will also change and become bullish. Okay, so now here somewhere we got a breakout. Okay, and now on that, after that we had only bullish positions. So that's how you can trade the markets on a 15-minute basis. So if the markets open decent gap up, okay, on Monday, then I expect ki, let's say if they open like somewhere around here a gap up, I expect them to come down and then go up and close like in this range anywhere. Okay, if the gap up happens. Now if the market opens flat, okay, in this level, and if above today's high, if we get a good strong candle close, then I would expect the up move to continue. Okay, in that case. And if the market opens gap down, okay, somewhere I say either be gap down if it opens, I'm expecting the market to trade in this range, the last 2 days range. Okay, in this range market will do its time pass, let it form some new patterns, let us see the new price action, let us see how the candles are big, they are small, let us see like how strong the buyers and sellers are, and based on that we'll try to come up with new analysis day-to-day basis. Also, that was it for Bank Nifty. See the monthly chart in Nifty, what does it say? This was a pole and flag, okay, and then we got a breakout and it's going up basically. Okay, now what is happening, as it's going up, the size of the candles are becoming smaller and smaller. Okay, this is not a good sign for the bulls. When the market is going up, it should make these kind of candles, bada bada aisa candle bana ke it should go. But what is doing currently, like it's going up with small candles, this is not a good sign. So let's wait and see on the monthly time frame what happens. But yeah, if it's trading above the last 2 months high, but if it's trading above the last 2 months high, okay, so if the market is above 20 to 500, we'll start thinking of it as very bullish only. Don't plan, okay, fresh bullish like trades in Nifty in the future side at least, okay. And because the Nifty has run up so much, even if it comes down, we are expecting it to take some support here. So around 20,000, but it's going to take a long time for it to come there now. Yeah, but whenever it does, we expect a support there. The structure of Nifty, okay, it's higher high only. Okay, so the structure is damn good on Nifty weekly chart. So when will it become bearish? It will become bearish if we go below this and an M will form, okay, M pattern. That's what will form. And if that happens, we'll become bearish. So the level to watch out for is 21,700. Below this on the weekly candle, weekly time frame, we become bearish. Now currently what to do in a bullish scenario? Now currently we have not got a good closing, okay, above the all-time high level. So we need a good all-time high closing, yes, a strong candle say. When we get that, we plan even more bullishness, okay? But until then, no, we have to wait. Till then, what we can do, this simple doji which we've gotten, we'll just trade the break of the high and low of the doji, okay? That's it on the weekly time frame. Daily time frame, Bank Nifty is at its near like last resistance, okay, and it formed a very strong pin bar candle, okay. The wick is very big, that's why I call it strong. But the candle is a red candle, but still it's like positive for me. Okay, so whenever now we go below this, which is 22,300, then we'll start to plan some bearishness in Nifty. Okay, until then, for now, we've got an inside candle. So better trade the inside candle. If you can see this properly, this is an inside candle. Trade the breakout of the inside candle, preferably on the upside. Why upside? Okay, because see, if this is a resistance, market is waiting here a lot. Okay, now why is it waiting? Because it probably can blast up also. So let's see what happens. 15-minute time frame, I would say like in this zone, try to avoid trading in Nifty, okay? It won't be clear, and better to just take a small bet on the inside candle. Let the market go out of this range and then see the price action, and based on that we can trade Nifty. Nifty's become actually pretty hard in the last 2-3 weeks, okay? The expiry is like much harder than the other expiries, at least from my experience. So I'm not too much interested in Nifty. Cool, so that's it for this video. If you learned anything new from me, please consider hitting the like button. It tremendously helps us grow our channel. And if you have any questions, okay, write them down below the video. I'll answer them today itself. And let's see, okay, what the market does. And if we go right or wrong. Cool, so I'll see you soon tomorrow. And I'm thinking of covering this topic, bullish engulfing. I think it's very powerful, and I'll show you a lot of trades with the backtest, okay, for bullish engulfing, and how you can make money based on it. So I think it's a very interesting video. Hit the notification bell on, okay, for the videos. Also, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow very soon. Bye-bye.